Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Okay, the question is all about the National Carrier Service. See, so what is the National Carrier Service? Okay, so it is all about to connect the demand and supply side. Okay, simple as that, which means there is unemployed person, okay, who is demanding for a job. Okay, there is a company who need an employee. Okay, to connect both of them, they created a thing called as National Carrier Service. Okay, so it aims to bridge the gap between the who need the job, okay, and those who want to hire them. Okay, between the people seeking the career guidance and training those who can provide the counselings and training. Okay, so it is all about bring the job seekers and employers and counselor, trainer and placement organization together on one platform by offering the convergence of the informations that enlighten the minds and empower the people. Okay, for that only they created this platform. Okay, so it aims at reaching out the people across the country, in particular the youth, through the well designed structures that comprises of the ICT based portal. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to know. By that you can easily answer it. Okay, and please note that this is the initiative of the Ministry of Labor and Employment. Okay, but the question it's saying is a initiative of the what it is saying, it is actually saying that it is the Department of Personnel and Training. No, it is actually the Ministry of Labor and Employment. Okay, so first statement is wrong. Okay, second statement, National Career Services has been launched in a mission mode to improve the employment opportunity to uneducated youth. See, the second statement is more extreme one. Okay, to improve the employment opportunity to uneducated youth. Okay, so uneducated youth, for uneducated youth they are trying to increase the employment opportunity, means either they have to provide the skill. Okay, but this is the second statement is not also speaking about anything that. Okay, first of all it is totally irrelevant to the National Career Services also. Okay, so if you don't know anything about the second statement, okay, even though you can eliminate it based on this extreme statement as uneducated youth. Okay, so second statement also wrong and the first statement also wrong, so the answer is neither one nor two, it's B. Okay, so it is one of the easiest question. Okay, so if you know about certain schemes, means you just go for a trial. Okay, if you don't know any schemes, means don't try it, because there may be the statement, okay, here and there may be certain statement from which ministry they are doing this scheme. Okay, it is related to which ministry or who is going to implement this scheme. Okay, so this is a purely a factual part question. Okay, so sometimes you may go for a guess. Okay, but it won't be help at the time period of the exam. Okay, because if you are blatantly go for this question, means if I am without any knowledge, means if I am going for this question, means I will say that the first statement is right. Okay, see, these are the major issues. Okay, when it comes to purely factual part question, means okay, factual part statement means don't try it without knowing it. Okay, so this is the way to eliminate the negative marks. Okay, thank you.